Hello dear viewers, it's me, Eliza VTuber, your crazy-ass waifu, content creator, streamer, artist, and a voice actor. This video is supposed to help you get an idea or plan about how to become a VTuber. Hi guys, I'm here to quickly add that this video is about becoming a 2D VTuber. I will make a video about becoming a 3D VTuber in the future. As a VTuber, you can be really anything from a cute magical anime girl to just a spoon or piece of bread. I personally based my avatar on my real life self. Usually you make a lore for your avatar and play a character. I don't have a lore and I'm not playing a character, so you can do that too. I will share my knowledge, and if you guys have anything to add or correct, please do so in the comments. And check the comments out if you have any questions. Maybe someone is already discussing it there. So you have a computer, a microphone, a streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs OBS, and set all of this up, which by the way doesn't have to be perfect when you start out. I had a bad headset mic and a computer that could barely stream when I started. If you want your own original custom Live2D model, then you need these. First, character design. Second, 2D model. Third, Live2D Rig. 4, face tracker app. First, you need a character design. In case you can't draw but you still want to make a character design, you can check this video out by Mari Yume. Mari basically explains how to make a character sheet using Pinterest images and description. Where can you order it from? Try searching character design commissions on Twitter, Instagram, Fiverr, and even Etsy. There are many places where you can find artists. You should avoid scammers. You should pay attention to these things. First, do they have any portfolio? Like, do they show any of their other works? And do the works have a consistent style? Does the artist have a good presence online? Or did they appear just a week ago, just posted 2 pictures of like, hey, I do Live2D models and nothing before? Do they have good feedback? Another way of finding an artist is, for example, you like some Live2D VTuber, or you have a friend who's a Live2D VTuber. You can just ask who made a character design for them or who made their Live2D model. After you came up with character design, you need to draw a Live2D model. It's not just a drawing, it's a special file that is separated into many layers. In order for them to be animated later, if you could draw it yourself. Here's a tutorial on how to prepare a model for a Live2D rig by Kapako channel. You can also Google it yourself, like how to separate model for Live2D, maybe. Make sure to save it in Photoshop file, PSD file. Or again, you could just order it. The prices vary, so it doesn't necessarily have to be expensive. You can always buy an already made Live2D model that is already a rig. Or there are cases when some VTubers just want to sell their model and all of their assets because they don't want to stream anymore. That also happens. Third step, you need to rig it in Live2D. If you want to rig it yourself, I will link the program and the tutorials in the description. If you want to learn Live2D rigging yourself, which is possible, there are a bunch of tutorials online that you can look up. Just write Live2D Rig tutorial. If you don't want to search, Sapphire has a whole series on Live2D rigging. Like this video is the first part, and then when you click on it, you can keep watching for the next part. I'm pretty sure Live2D Cubism is a free program that you can get, at least a free trial. If you order a rig, make sure the rigger and artist have a good communication between each other or through you. Although you can always buy model and rig from one person, you always should check what they offer and their TOS. With everything you use, make sure you can use it commercially. Art, design, assets, model. Because if you start making money, hit affiliate for example, you might get in trouble, like they might sue you. So make sure to check TOS of everything you use on stream. If you want to hire someone to rig it for you, the top places are obviously Twitter and Fiverr. I got my model rigged on Fiverr myself. You can also look who other VTubers have hired to rig their models. Indie VTubers, like smaller VTubers who ordered a rig from someone. because they probably got it for cheaper than huge VTubers. In their Twitter bio, they can write who did their rig, like they sometimes write mama or papa. Fourth part, face tracker apps. There are a few face tracker apps that are available. It's VTube Studio, Purple Life, VUP, Animes, and Face Rig. All of these are free except for Face Rig. I was using Face Rig and I've used Purple Life. VTube Studio is the best. Purple Life is probably like second best. VUP and Animes, I've never tried them. For example, I designed my own model, I drew my own model, I ordered the rig on Fiverr from Kobotano too. I'm using VTube Studio, although I used to use FaceRig before that, and I'm gonna say VTube Studio is the best software as of now that I've used, and everyone is using it pretty much, so I recommend it. If your model is acting kind of weird in VTube Studio, go to settings and set everything up. There is a lot of things you can do in settings. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll try to reply. I recommend Kapako channel, Mariyume channel, and Sapphire channel. They have a lot of tutorials on VTuber creation, like they go in depth. I stream on Twitch quite often, so feel free to check me out there. I also have TikTok, art Instagram, and Twitter. All the links to the videos and channels that I just talked about are going to be in the description. Don't forget to like Eliza and subscribe for more videos, okay? Smoochies!